is part 2 of the aftermath of saving a bird. And Dad found another skull. That's beautiful. Have you found anything? Found anything else?
Nah, just a bunch of death.
Oh,
All there is in there, death. I'm gonna get a vent cover for that thing. Cover that up.
This has been an eventful day.
Wait. What's that?
What is that?
A bone of some kind.
A bone. Another squirrel bone, maybe?
There's another one. Oh, it's whole skeletons in there.
Oh.
Watch. Maybe not this whole skeleton, but a lot of them. So there's one. There's another one. Now, don't ever touch these with your hands. I'm going to go in instantly and wash my hands with antibacterial.
So never touch bones.
Here's a little leg bone.
Unless they're chicken bones.
Oh, yeah.
A leg bone?
Yep.
We're going to build a squirrel.
There's another one. Another leg bone.
Another one.
Keep going, we might just be able to rebuild that squirrel.
Use it as our Halloween prop.
Another bone. Another hip bone or something. That must be what these are.
Hip bones?
I think they're like hips. Two of those. Oh, there's a spine. Part of a spine. Right here. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Part of a spine. That's been in there a very long time. That's probably been in there a good 20 years plus.
20 years? What
Very
about
long
this
time.
skeleton?
What are you talking about?
How long has the skeleton been in here? Is it part of the squirrel?
Yeah. That's part of the spine right there. Spinal column.
Wow.
Oh.
We
But
probably...
it takes a very long time. Like this bird right here was there for probably a really long time too, but he's not as deteriorated as the other ones are.
Oh, God, that's gross.
But he's been in there a while. But see, it takes a very long time, especially with feathers and that kind of stuff too. But with fur, it doesn't take as long. There's part of the spine right there. It could be something else right there. See? It's another part of the spine.
This is what the squirrel is. This is the squirrel right now.
All that's left of them. Anyway, little bones. These are probably little, I'd venture to guess these are probably rib bones. Yep, that's a rib bone.
Wow.
Alright, another bone. Another bone. Crazy, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna rebuild a squirrel.
Somehow he must have got in there when the other people lived here. And, I don't know what that one is.
Oops.
It could actually be from the bird.
The bird?
Mm-hmm. The bird's skull.
Oh.
It's right there.
Yeah, this might be from the bird.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Like the small one right here. That one could be part of the bird.
Alright, well, that's it.
Wow.
There's much more.
Well, we found a lot. We found a whole dead squirrel.
That's been in there a very long time.
It's been in there a very long time. Found a dead bird skull, maybe a wing, and a deteriorated dragonfly, and the woodpecker that flew away and that we saved. So, happy Father's Day, fathers, if any father is watching this. Goodbye, guys. See you later.